Good communication is an essential part of our daily lives, and it's important to develop effective communication skills to build better relationships, succeed in your career, and navigate social situations with ease. So let's dive into some tips for improving your communication skills. Firstly, active listening is an important part of effective communication. This means listening carefully to what the other person is saying, asking questions, and clarifying anything that you don't understand. When we actively listen to others, we show that we value their perspective and opinions, and this can go a long way in building trust and respect. Secondly, it's important to be clear and concise in your communication. Avoid using jargon or technical terms that the other person may not understand, and try to express your ideas in a simple and straightforward way. This will help to avoid confusion and misunderstandings and ensure that your message is received and understood. Next, it's important to pay attention to your body language. Nonverbal communication can speak volumes, so be aware of your tone of voice, facial expressions, and body posture. Maintaining eye contact, using open body language, and mirroring the other person's body language can all help to build rapport and convey a sense of openness and understanding. Another important aspect of communication is being able to express yourself assertively. This means standing up for yourself and expressing your opinions and ideas confidently and respectfully. It's important to be clear about what you want or need, while also taking the other person's perspective into account. Finally, it's important to practice your communication skills regularly. This could be through taking a public speaking course, practicing active listening with friends or colleagues, or reading books on communication. By making a conscious effort to improve your communication skills, you'll become more confident and effective in your interactions with others. Remember, good communication is essential for building strong relationships, achieving your goals, and living a fulfilling life. So take the time to practice and develop your communication skills, and watch your life transform for the better. Thanks for watching.